Transporting a Caterpillar 395F excavator poses several challenges due to its size and weight. The 395F is a heavy-duty machine with an operating weight of around 236,000 pounds and dimensions that can exceed 41 feet in length, 13 feet in width, and 16 feet in height. Some challenges include: 1. Weight and size. The sheer weight and size of the excavator make it difficult to transport on standard roads and bridges, requiring special permits and planning for route selection to avoid weight restrictions and low clearance areas. 2. Transportation equipment. Specialized heavy-duty trailers, trucks, and lifting equipment are needed to accommodate the weight and dimensions of the excavator. These transportation vehicles must be capable of safely handling the load. 3. Permits and regulations. Obtaining the necessary permits from local authorities for oversize and overweight transportation can be a bureaucratic process. Regulations vary by location and often require compliance with specific guidelines. 4. Route planning. Planning a suitable route is crucial. Roads must be capable of supporting the weight and size of the load, and routes may need to be adjusted to avoid narrow roads, sharp turns, and bridges with weight restrictions. 5. Traffic disruption. Transporting such a large machine can cause significant traffic disruptions, especially on narrow roads or in densely populated areas. Proper coordination with local traffic authorities is essential. 6. Loading and unloading. Loading the excavator onto the trailer and unloading it at the destination site requires specialized heavy equipment and experienced operators to ensure safety and proper positioning. 7. Escort vehicles. Depending on local regulations, escort vehicles may be required to accompany the transportation to ensure safe passage and to warn other drivers. 8. Weather and road conditions. Adverse weather conditions and poor road surfaces can further complicate the transportation process and may require additional precautions. 9. Risk of damage. The excavator is susceptible to damage during transportation due to vibrations, shocks, and potential impacts. Proper securing and cushioning measures are necessary to prevent such damage. 10. Costs. Transporting heavy equipment involves substantial costs, including fees for permits, specialized transportation equipment, escort vehicles, and labor. Overall, transporting a Caterpillar 395F excavator demands meticulous planning, adherence to regulations, and coordination among various stakeholders to ensure a safe and successful journey.